Give stained and dingy ceiling tiles a new life with State's WTS Ceiling Tile Spray. WTS is specially formulated to cover water and dirt stains, yellowing, and discoloring on any acoustic tile or ceiling, eliminating the need for costly repainting or replacing. Additionally, WTS gives a fresh look to acoustic tile without destroying their acoustic properties, unlike painting with latex or oil-based paint. WTS is simple to use. Hold the can 12 to 15 inches from the tile and apply. If a second coat is required, it can be applied after only a few minutes. Use WTS to restore acoustic tiles and ceilings, as well as a primer before repainting on metal surfaces, cast or poured concrete. Give ceiling tiles a new life with WTS Ceiling Tile Spray, another quality solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.